I'm Ana Krstić.
I'm Đorđe Šunjevarić.
My name is Isidora.
My name is Ivana Sinić.
My name is Jelena.
My name is Natalija Stanković.
Our school is unique because it is the only licensed school for Serbian as a foreign language in Serbia.
Each class is a special, interesting story adapted to your interests.
Our certificates are recognized all over the world.
I invite you to apply and
To learn Serbian language with us.
To get to know the Serbian history, culture, and important Serbian customs.
And learn Serbian in modern and innovative way.
Looking forward to see you soon.